day ng Super Serena Queen of Queens.
Ito na ang super magpapa-excite ng labanan, ang question and answer portion.
Everyone's favorite.
I know.
Let's call in our Super Serena Queens. Ilan sa mga tanong ay nanggaling sa mga Dabarkads na nag-post at nag-hashtag ng kanilang mga tanong sa Facebook at Twitter.
Our queens will pick who among our judges will give them their questions.
Meron lang silang 45 seconds para sagutin ang mga questions given to them.
Isimulan na natin to.
Let's do this.
Okay, Super Serena Queen of Asia, Marian Arguelles and Christine Reyes ng Nueva Ecija.
Hello, Christine.
Hello po.
How are you feeling today?
Very happy. It's a dream come true.
All right, please pick a judge.
This is the big day, Christine. Eto na. Ang napili mong judge ay si Mr. Michael Carandan.
Hi, Mike. Kumusta?
Mabuti. Ha?
Go, your question.
Hi, Christine.
Grabe si Marilyn.
Nakaka-distract
Nakaabot
si
ng
Marilyn.
microphone, di ba?
Hi, Christine. Congratulations again for making it this far.
Thank you po.
Okay, so my question for you, actually I got it from Twitter. It's from MJ. Sabi ni MJ, what would you tell a little Serena suffering from low self-esteem because of bullying and how you can make this little girl feel good about herself?
Thank you for that. I think the only thing that I can tell that little Serena is just to be himself, follow his dreams, and be happy. For always believe what Mahatma Gandhi once said, learn as if you will live forever, and live as if you will die tomorrow. So live life to the fullest. Thank you.
Very good. Pasok na pasok sa 45 seconds. Ang sagot ng
Hindi
ating
natin
Serena.
nadinig yung tunog.
Oo nga. She didn't even need that long, di ba?
Oo.
That much time. Maraming salamat,
Thank you.
Christine.
Christine Reyes. Next.
Super Serena Queen of Tourism, May Andrada, ang Marian Rivera ng Cavite. A while ago, Alan, naikwento sa amin na right before the grand coronation started, tinawagan si May ni Marian Rivera mismo. Just to give her some confidence and to wish her luck. Maaari mo malaman kung ano mismo ang sinabi ni Marian.
I would like to take this opportunity para mapasalamat po ang idol kong si Marian Rivera for wishing me luck. Galing po sa kaibuturan ng aking puso, maraming salamat po, Miss Marian Rivera.
Di ba?
Diba?
O,
Sige na.
pick a judge.
Dahan-dahan, mahal yan. Puro diamante.
Ilang carats yan?
Si Miss Isabel Daza ang magtatanong sa'yo.
Wala ba dyan yung name ko sa magtatanong?
Wala. Hindi ka kasali
wala.
dito today.
Hi, J-Logs. Thank you. Good afternoon, Marian. Are you feeling nervous?
Yes, ma'am, but ine-enjoy ko na lang po.
Yes, that's true. Ang napakaganda mo. Alright, here's my question. Anong mas gugustuhin mo? Maging mayaman or maganda? At bakit?
45 seconds to answer. Go.
Para po sa akin, mas gugustuhin ko pong maging maganda. Dahil dahil naniniwala po ako na kapag maganda ka, kaya mo pong yumaman. Kaya mo pong gamitin ang iyong ganda, hindi lamang ang panlabas na kagandahan, kundi gamitin ang panloob na kagandahan. Dahil para po sa akin, Aanin mo ang panlabas na kagandahan kung hindi naman ginto at busilak ang iyong kalooban. Aanin mo ang kayamanan kung hindi naman maganda ang iyong puso. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
Grabe
Thank
yung
you.
ginto at busila. Gusto
Hindi
ko
mo alam
yun.
yun, di ba?
Gagamitin ko yun araw-araw. Thank you very much, Marian.
Thank you.
Belle.
Next, we have Super Serena Queen of the World, Michelle Bermudez, ang Georgina Wilson ng Caloocan City. Ang graceful nila kumabay, no? Parang umiikot
Para
yun.
nagpupunas lang ng window. How are you, Georgina?
I'm fine and good.
How does it feel na your idol is Georgina Wilson and here before you is
My
Miss
tita.
Gloria Diaz, your tita?
Hello, tita.
Ang tapang na
Ang
girl.
kasin. Si Isabel.
Oo.
Hi, Cassie. We have our shoot tomorrow.
Oh, grabe.
Aray, may shoe.
May shoot sila.
Oo, okay. Naniniwala na siya talaga.
Sige.
Okay, George.
Pumili ka ng isa.
Ika, Judge.
Ang napili mong judge ay si Mr. Raho Laurel.
Okay, Raho. Your question.
Ni Maribi.
Hi, Georgina.
Hello, good afternoon po.
Good afternoon. How tall are you?
I am 5'9".
Wow. Okay. You're so pretty.
Thank you.
So this is my question. If they say that the essence of being a woman is giving life, what is then the essence of being a Super Serena?
Okay, thank you very much for that question. For me, the essence of being a Serena is by giving happiness to each and everyone. Right now, I am a Super Serena, and I am standing in front of you, giving smile, joy, and happiness. Thank you.
Totoo naman yan. That yung opening number lang kanina was the
Ay,
most
sobrang happiness na yun.
amazing.
Correct.
One of the
Kaya-
most amazing we've seen. Thank you, George.
At successful siya doon, ha? Nag-trending ng number 1, ang Super Serena.
Wow!
Next!
Super Serena Queen of the Sky, Maki Eve Mercedes, ang General Mercado ng Cebu City. Na very well supported. Tinan mo naman ang ang support group from all the way from Cebu.
Lumipad pa galing Cebu ang mga supporters niya, Pia.
Correct!
Hi, Miss Jen.
Hello, nice to meet you again.
Yeah, nice having you here again. And finals na ito.
Nice to see you pala.
Nakita naman natin yung kanyang costume kanina sa opening, di ba? Wasn't that very difficult to parade around in, Janeline?
Being the only Cebuana, there is a pressure on that part. Because it's not just the weight of the costume, but at the same time, it's how you present of what Cebuano talent can show to the world.
May tanong nga si Raho kanina, who made your costume?
Hi, I'm so happy that I meet you now. The last time that there was a seminar at CoLab, I was not able to meet you, but I'm so happy. My gown this is a surprise, totally a surprise. This is from Mommy Carrie Santiago, and I didn't expect. It just came here before lunch. So thank you, Carrie Santiago.
Sinagot mo na yung tanong kanina ni Raho. Okay.
Please take a judge.
Habang dumadampot siya, sabi niya, I love this. Who would have loved a thing of glitters?
Ang daming niyan, earrings at bracelet. Ooh.
Naku, ang magtatanong sa'yo, Miss Gloria Diaz.
Miss Gloria, what can you say naman about our Super Serenas?
I think this is the best batch. Pinakamagaganda kayong lahat ngayon. Anyway, how are you, Janeline?
I'm good, Miss Gloria, and I'm so honored that I picked you to ask the question.
Okay, this is my question. if in the future, magkaanak kang lalaki, this is an if, would you like him to follow your lifestyle? And why?
Lifestyle meaning being a transgender?
Joining Super Sirena, having the
Okay.
talent you have, yes,
Thank
being
you.
a transgender, whatever.
Thank
Would you
you.
like him to follow your lifestyle?
I firmly believe that it is not in my hands, nor in your hands, nor in anybody's hands, the future of my boy or of my son. Whatever he wants, whatever life that he's going to take, I will support him. I will support him. And that's what makes him happy. And if that happiness can contribute to the whole community, then I will be so proud of him. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Janelyn. Thank you, Miss Gloria. At maraming salamat din sa mga queens natin, Queen of Asia, Queen of Tourism, Queen of the World, and Queen of the Sky. Apat pa lang yan sa ating mga queens na nagpakita ng kanilang wit.
Mamaya, may apat pang queens ang masusubukan ng galing sa pagsagot ng mga tanong at papatunayang sila ang karapat-dapat maging Queen of Queens. Magbabalik na po ang Eat Bulaga. Nagbabalik ang Grand Coronation Day ng Super Sirena, Queen of Queens.
Ito na po ang pagpapatunay ng sukatan ng super wit ng ating mga queens dito sa question and answer portion.
Kagaya ng mga tanong kanina, ang mga tanong ay nanggaling sa mga dabal kasi nag-post at nag-hashtag ng kanilang tanong sa Facebook at Twitter.
Meron pa rin silang 45 seconds to answer the questions given to them.
Napansin mo ba kanina? Doon sa unang apat, ni walang umabot ng 45 seconds.
Ang gagaling.
Hindi siya tinunugan ng timer natin.
At hindi man lang kumurap.
Hindi ko napansin yun. Ito na, pagpatuloy natin. Super Sirena, Queen of Ocean, Bembem Radaza, ang Carla Abellana ng Cagayan de Oro City. Hi, Bem. Nanalo ka na ng Best in Costume. Anong pakiramdam?
Sobrang happy kasi yung costume ko, super effort ang ginawa namin. And I'm so thankful to Miss Angelica Pagtakhan who made my costume.
May gulong pa eh.
Oo nga eh.
Oo, ang intricate.
Totoo.
Sige, pili ka ng isa na lang to eh. Ako na lang bubunot ha. Bago ibalik natin yung ibang judges. At ang magtatanong sa iyo, of course, ang hindi pa nagtatanong, Mr. Aljur Abranica.
Alan, sure ka? Wala ako dyan.
Wala ka dito, J. Lopez. Bakit? Kung ikaw bang may tanong, ano itatanong mo?
Oo.
Kaya mamaya na lang. Siguro ko lang.
Yeah, save na.
Hi, Carla.
Hello? Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you. Ikaw, kamusta?
I'm great.
Okay,
No.
Ba't nainggit ka, Maribel?
Tinatanong ko kumusta, kinikilig ka na.
Carla, ito yung tanong ko. Kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na gawing pelikula ang buhay mo, anong title nito at bakit?
45 seconds. Go.
If I have given a chance about the title of my life, it would be A Fighter. Because transgender, life as transgender is not an easy task. Because there's lots of discrimination that we had. But you know what, ladies and gentlemen? We may not hard as a stone, but I know and we know we are strong enough to win in every fight. Thank you.
The Fighter. Parang may movie na ganun.
O yung boksingero.
Oo. The wrestler
Hindi
yun.
bagay, ang ganda eh. Ang ganda-ganda ng ayaw.
Iba naman yung fighter na naiisip na. Fighter in life. Thank you very much, Miss Carla Abellan.
Thank you, darling. Let's move on to our Second Super Serena Queen of the Wind, Aya Garcia, ang Banks Garcia ng Quezon City.
Successful siya sa diet niya.
Oh, in fairness, ang ganda.
In a week's time.
Pati
Tingnan
yung
mo
talent niya kanina.
nagkapewang.
Diba?
What South Beach diet can do.
True.
At hindi ko ba yung sinasabi ko, Aya? Successful yung South Beach mo.
It is very successful. From 29 waistline, now I am only 26.
Grabe. Ang confident na tuloy magputi.
Correct. Pati kanina yung presentation, ang ganda rin ng costume.
Okay, Aya?
Hindi ka ng isa?
Oops, iba yung... Naiwanan mo yung body. Mr. Michael Karandang.
Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon. Aya Bang Garcia. Hi. Kumusta ka naman?
Well, I feel so blessed na nakarating po ako hanggang grand finals.
Okay, good. And here's my question for you. As a Super Serena, what do you think is the greatest challenge you guys, girls, are facing today, and how do you think we could fix that?
Okay, the greatest challenge that we are facing is that what society see us as Serena, how they judge us as a person. Because, ladies and gentlemen, living in this gender preference is very difficult. We may be criticized and discriminate, but then again, we will still prove to the world that we will still exist, whether you like it or not. We will prove to them that we, in this modern times, will make a stand as a human being. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Bangs. Very well said.
At hindi rin naubos ang oras, di ba?
Grabe sila.
Oh, they stick to the time.
Ito naman ang ating Super Serena Queen of the Universe. Aba Santillan, ang heart evangelista ng Bicol. Hindi pa man sila nagka-title, may corona na, di ba?
Oo.
Heart, kumusta naman?
Mabuti po and very much happy being here in the grand finals.
Oo naman. Ang dami nyo pinagdaanan mula sa auditions, hanggang sa daily, sa weekly grand finals, ngayon grand finals sa Queen of Queens. Pili ka ng isa.
Ikaw kaya ay nakatulog na?
Actually po, wala pa po kami tulog lahat. Because last night po, we've been in a rehearsal for our talent.
Grabe, ang dedication.
Nakita mo naman mga pasabog kanina.
Oo.
Padagundong, kung tawagin na nga. Hindi na pasabog, padagundong. Mr. Aljur Abranica.
Alan, pwedeng paki-check yung name ko dyan.
Wala si Nuno.
Wala talaga eh.
Wala eh.
Yung Aljur may J, pero yung J-Logs wala talaga.
Okay, thank you. Aljur.
Mamaya tayo na lang magtanungan.
Hi, Heart.
Hi, Mr. Aljur.
Ayan. Kumusta?
Mabuti po, ikaw.
Salamat. Mabuti rin naman. Okay, Heart, ang tanong ko ay, kung ikaw mananalo dito sa Super Serena, what's next? What's life after Super Serena?
Kung ako man po ay papanaling manalo dito bilang Super Serena Queen of Queens, siguro po, malaki ang mababago sa aking buhay. Especially po sa aking pamilya at sa aking mga kaibigan. At lalong-lalo na po sa napili ko pong tulungan. At sa palagay ko po, marami pa pong magandang mangyayari sa aking buhay, hindi lamang po sa aking buhay, pati sa buhay ng bawat isa sa amin nandito. Dahil ang pagiging isang Super Serena at maging isang bahagi ng Itbulaga ay isang napakalaking karangalan para sa aming lahat. Yun lamang po at magandang tanghali.
Thank you, darling. With less than 10 seconds left.
Thank you very much, Heart
Thank you.
Evangelista. Gusto ko sanang ibalik kay J-Logs yung tanong.
Sige.
Ano yun, what's life after Super Serena?
Yes, J-Lo.
Wag na lang, baka magalit si J-Logs.
Mamaya tanong sa backstage.
Mamaya na lang. Paghandaan mo yung sagot, ha? Huwag mo sagutin ngayon. Kasi, medyo kahol. What's life after death?
Bigyan ka namin ng 2 hours.
Super Serena, Queen of the Jungle. Francine Garcia, ang Kim Chu ng Quezon City. Nagugustuhan mo ba na nasa dulo ka?
Yes, I'm loving it so much.
Kung ikaw papipiliin sa harap o dun sa dulo?
Sa dulo pa din.
Ikaw
Para
na.
kita-kita sa finals.
Kasi dapat sa third ako eh. And natalo ko. And I'm glad na pinabalik kami for wild card. So nasa dulo ko.
Ang laki na ng pinayat ni... Ang laki na ng pinayat ni Bangs Garcia. Successfully South Beach. Ano masasabi mo?
Bongga yan. Ipagpatuloy mo lang.
Nagsasagutan pa rin kayo.
O, ito naman ang
Mamili ka?
sasagutin mo.
Ang napili mong judge, Kim Chu, ay si Miss Isabel Daza.
Hi, good afternoon, Kim. Looking beautiful. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great and honored to be here standing before you guys. And I would just like to take the opportunity first to thank the panel board of judges for sitting there. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, this is my question. If you were called to serve in the military by your country, would you accept this and why?
Yes, because I think that it doesn't matter whether you be a Serena, a man, or a woman. The mere fact that you're a good law-abiding citizen, then you are worthy to serve your country and enter the military. Article 3, Section 1 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution states that no man shall be deprived from his pursuit of life, liberty, property, and in perpetuity without due process of law. Thank you.
Galit ka ba?
Not really.
Fierce!
Thank you, Kim Chu.
J-Log, ikaw kung mag-military ka, papayag ka ba?
Papayag, pero hindi ako magpapa-under dyan. Parang terror eh, nakakatakot.
Oo nga, ako rin ayoko na sumali kung kasali siya.
Thank you, Miss Kim Chu. At thank you sa lahat ng mga Super Serena Queens. Ganon din sa ating mga judges. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga members of the Board of Judges.
Sina Audra Brenica,
Isabel Daza,
Michael Carandang,
Rahul Laurel,
and Miss Gloria Diaz.
sa mga dapat kasi rin sa Facebook, voting is now officially closed. Kaya abangan lang maya-maya dahil malalaman na natin kung kaninong
Photo ang may most
number of likes.
At sa pagbabalik natin, makikilala na rin natin ang one queen who will reign supreme.
Pero eto muna, ang little queen natin, si Aling Maliit.
Oh, hi, May! Newsfeed ako doon. Ang gagaling nila mag-English. Ang tatalino.
Ang gagaling.
Sana ganyan ka rin. Hi, May.
Naku po, hayaan nyo na lang sila. Ako po, hindi ako marunong sumagot ng gano'n eh. Basta ang alam ko, magte-text ako na magte-text para manalo na ako.
Oo nga, para yumaman ka na.
Oo.
Hi, May.
Po.
May 10,000, may cellphone, may 50,000. Ang dami nun, Jaime. Kukunin mo na yung tortilla sa lalim.
O, kukunin ko ulit. Paalala sa lahat.
Kung ano yung text ba nila?
Ito po.
Makinig kayo mabuti, ha?
Ayan na naman, oh. Text, oh. Uulitin ko ulit, ha. Alang maliit. EV Space Queen, name, address. Send to 367 for smart and talking text. 2344 for Globe, TM, and Sun. Oh.
Oh, Jaime.
Po.
Sino bang mananalo sa tingin mo? Sino bang gusto mo? Bulong mo.
Ang akin? Yung bet ko?
Sino? Ha?
Opo.
Ako.
Okay, kayo.
Ito. Oh. Abangan natin, ha?
Opo, opo.
Tingin ko yung gusto ko. Mananalo yun, eh.
Opo.
Oh, dyan lang po kayo, ha? Malalaman na natin kung sino ang Super Serena.
Is smiling.
Sarado ang mga parlor, hindi yan. At wala rin mga tao sa gym.
Oo, nakatutok lahat dito.
Mga Dabarkads, the sky, ocean, and wind have converged.
Magkakaalaman na tayo as to who will reign supreme among our queens.
Let's call back our Super Serena Queen of Queens finalists, starting off with
Super Serena Queen of Asia, Marian Argeles, ang Christine Reyes ng Nueva Ecija.
Number 2, Super Serena Queen of Tourism, May Andrada, ang Marian Rivera ng Cavite.
Super Serena Queen of the World, Michelle Bermudez, ang Georgina Wilson ng Caloocan City.
Number 4, Super Serena Queen of the Sky, Maki E. Mercedes, ang Jeneline Mercado ng Cebu City.
Super Serena Queen of the Ocean, Bem Bem Radaza, ang Carla Abellana ng Cagayan de Oro City.
Number 6, Super Serena Queen of the Wind, Aya Garcia, ang Bangs Garcia ng Quezon City.
Super Serena Queen of the Universe, Ava Santillan, ang Heart Evangelista ng Bicol.
And number 8, Super Serena Queen of the Jungle, Francine Garcia, ang Kim Chu ng Quezon City. Before we find out who the Super Serena Queen of Queens is,
we'd first like to thank Mr. Kingston Cian, Stephen Riley, Patricia May C., Martin Paz, and Anna Chua of Resorts World Manila.
at salamat din ulit sa Champion Bar and Powder, tapat po sa inyo.
Salamat din sa OPlus 8.15 quad-core Android phone with air shuffle technology at sa Nice Print.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's first give away our special awards.
Our first award, Facebook Dabarkads Choice Award. This means the candidate with the most number of likes in Eat Bulaga's official fan page. To be awarded by J-Logs and Marilyn Mongo. To win 10,000 pesos and a sash. Our Super Serena Facebook Dabarkads choice with the most likes, with 32,849 likes to be specific, is candidate number 8, Francine Garcia ang Kim Chu ng Quezon City.
Congratulations, Super Serena, candidate number 8, Francine Garcia, ang Kim Chu ng Quezon City. Salamat po sa ating mga Dabarkads, sa lahat ng mga Dabarkads na nag-like. Thank you very much, guys. Congratulations once again, candidate number 8. And our next award, Best in Long Gown. To be awarded by Rahul Laurel to win 10,000 pesos plus a sash and bouquet. Our Super Serena Best in Long Gown is
candidate number 4, Maki Eve Mercedes ang Jeneline Mercado ng Cebu City.
Best in Long Gown. Congratulations, candidate number 4, Super Serena Queen of the Sky, Maki Eve Mercedes ang Jeneline Mercado ng Cebu City.
Our next award is Super Telegenic Serena. To be awarded by Mr. Michael Carandang. She will win 10,000 pesos, a sash, and a bouquet.
Our Super Telegenic Serena is none other than candidate number to May Andrada, Marian Rivera ng Dasmariñas, Cavite. Nagbunga ang pagtawag ni Marian Rivera sa kanyang kandidata to wish her
Nagbunga ng maganda.
to wish her luck. All right, for our next special award, Best in Talent, to be awarded by Algera Brenica, and to win 10,000 pesos plus a sash and a bouquet.
Our Super Serena Best in Talent is candidate number 6. Aya Garcia, ang Banks Garcia ng Quezon City. Parang dalawa yung napanalunan niya doon, ah.
Parang yun ang mas magandang award. Ano? Congratulations, Aya Garcia, ang Bangs Garcia ng Quezon City. Ikaw ang
Best
Queen,
in Talent.
Best in Talent.
Sa Lunes, simula na ng kakaibang concert tuwing tanghalian featuring talents na level concert icon. Abangan
Sama
niyo-
ka ba dyan?
Ha? Oo, nagpa-practice na nga ako eh. Kaya abangan nyo yan sa Lunes. Dito pa rin yan sa Eat Bulaga. At eto na po, malalaman na natin ang super exceptional sa lahat ng mga Super Serena Queens.
Ang mananalo pong Super Serena Queen of Queens will receive a sash, a trophy, a crown, a scepter, a bouquet, and 300,000 pesos, half of which will be shared to the winner's chosen cause. Now, to be awarded by none other than Miss Gloria Diaz. Here it is, our Super Serena Queen of Queens is...
Before we award her, let's put our hands together for our 8 Super Serenas once again.
Congratulations, ladies, for making it this far. Ngayon pa lang, panalo na kayo lahat.
Right.
Pero isa lang ang makakaupo sa trono bilang Queen of Queens. At ikaw na rin ang bahala mag-uwi niyan. Our Queen of Queens is none other than...
With an average score of 91.98%, our Super Serena Queen of Queens is... Candidate number 8, Francine Garcia of Kim Chu ng Quezon City.
Congratulations, Francine Garcia, Kim Chu ng Quezon City. And of course, her cause is the Barangay Tamayan Medical and Dental Mission. So the Queen of the Jungle is now the Queen of Queens. So magmula nung competition natin, marami ang pinagdaanan natin. Queen of Queens, naging wild card winner siya.
Yes.
And now, she stands a queen among the queens.
Imagine, Ryan, had she been discouraged the first time around, hindi niya mararating itong pagiging Queen of Queens niya ngayon. Talagang testament to her perseverance and determination.
Ika nga ng article at Chuchu, everyone deserves something. Hindi ko na-memorize. Ang galing niya.
Ang ganda, ah. Very profound.
Wala akong masabi. Matandaan niyo sinabi. Congratulations! Once again, let's all give a big hand to Francine Garcia, ang Kim Chu ng Quezon City. You are the Queen of Queens.
Salamat sa lahat ng sumali sa Super Serena. You made this competition super exceptional. Go ahead, Kim. Take your place at the throne of the Queen of Queens. At ang maganda dyan, Ryan, malaki ang maitutulong niya sa kanyang chosen cause, ang Barangay Damayan Medical and Dental Mission.
Correct. Congratulations, Francine. Once again, the Super Serena Queen of Queens, Francine Garcia, ang Kim Chu ng Quezon City.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga dabarkad sa amin pumunta dito sa Newport Performing Arts Theater sa Resorts World Manila. We'll see you all on Monday sa mga dabarkads naman nanonood sa kanilang mga bahay.
All right, have a nice weekend. We'll see you Monday. Bye, guys.